Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and my face has been looking so dry of late. I don't know why. I guess because the time is getting a bit cooler, but yeah, as you can see, I am in sweater and all that. I'm at the front of my apartment waiting on a taxi to come and pick me up. I have a surprise for y'all. Yes. Okay, I forgot to do something, but anyways, yeah, waiting on a taxi. I hate traveling this time of the year for more than one reason. Firstly, it's Christmas, and yes, I like Christmas, and I don't like to sound grumpy, and I don't like to really put my country in a negative way, but Christmas time, they kind of like to rob you a lot. Yeah, they pick your pocket a whole lot, and then rob places a whole lot in Jamaica around Christmas time. So for that reason, I don't really like to travel unless I'm going out with everyone or something. So I am taking a taxi to where I'm going, because to be honest, the bus system not really safe at this moment, kinda ish, because sometimes the people that work on the bus is a part of the robbery, to be honest. So I'm out here waiting on the taxi to go somewhere, then to go to the gym, because I'm in a gym attire. This shirt I got it from Fashion Nova. It's supposed to be a large shirt, right? Look at this. This is a large shirt. I wanted it large because I wanted it oversized, but this is too oversized, but still rocking it anyway. So if you like this shirt and you want it to purchase and you buy it on Fashion Nova, just know that maybe you should go a medium or a small, because it is really large. So anyways, I'm waiting on the taxi, so when the taxi comes, I'll get back to y'all.
You wildin'.
Focus.
You wildin'.
So you're not focusing. Oh hey, hi guys. So I told you earlier on that I had a surprise for you, but I would have shown you before I go to the gym, but would have catch up on something, so I couldn't show you the surprise yet. But we'll go to the gym. As you can see, me look sweaty and look bad, so I'm showing you the surprise now.
Like, I'm surprised. Hi guys.
Yes.
No, this pump is like so, oh my god. The gym was fun today. She did nothing, we did.
Really?
It was really good, but yeah, I've been looking cute. Ooh. Okay, I'll be looking good. I'll be looking good.
Yeah, so we're here at Triple Century now, going to have dinner, because I'm must dinner, because the time we have lunch, that has to be dinner. Yeah. So yeah, we're here at Triple Century, and I'm so sweaty. I know I can't change the clothes, you know.
You survive.
And you know what everyone say? When we can come pick up the key, that's what say. It's like, oh, go on and come. When we can come pick up the key. How many times are you there? Oh, I'm talking to you, welcome to Jamaica.
Everyone knew what's up.
Everyone like, when we can come pick up the key?
You knew it was up.
So we're here. Can make him carry go something there?
Where?
Supermarket. I must need supermarket things.
I just need some protein.
So we're here. You know where to eat?
The usual.
Oxtail. I'm not sure I'm ready to eat it. Probably get oxtail. But we can't really eat anything, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna come back to y'all.
Wow.
here. And people here do.
I mean, okay, you know.
I was close.
Why don't know much of people them belongings?
Okay, I was close. It's my turn.
Run.
Okay.
What's this?
Stop.
No.
What the fuck? Where is the thing that's supposed to be on the top? Oh my goodness. Yeah, here it is. Here it is.
No, no.
Because you're doing it wrong. You're throwing. You need to glide it. Like I'm a professional. Look where I hit. Oh my! Look where I hit. I'm right here. I'm gonna take mine out. Oh, there's one up there. There's like 5 of them. Okay, it's like 5 of them. Okay.
5.
Yeah.
6, 3, 3.
No, it's not. I have 3. Okay, go.
One missing.
Go.
No, you should go first since you have 3.
Okay.
Oh
Okay.
shit.
Alright.
19. Alright.
What's up?
Worse.
It's like the on the fling eye. You see one on the fling eye, it got 2, it got low. Because on the curve.
I went the highest though. Yeah, it's like all of them is just like. Alright, you get 3 this time. Circle this one back to that one.
I swear, then they have a dart. Like they know
You
what I'm
should
playing.
come.
Exactly.
Like
I'm vlogging. Anyways, guys, apart from that, we're in an Airbnb that is in Kingston.
okay, go.
And
No.
at the entrance, this is what you see here.
Yeah.
Alright, so I might bring this time.
And then this is the kitchen. And then they have a washing machine area where you can wash, and there's a tub there as well. Do they give you soap? No, not really. They don't give you soap, but they have an iron board as well, an iron. And this is the kitchen. Nothing is in the fridge. They want to say if they give you all they get necessary. And that's that. And then the room is kind of a bit of a mess because Tracy unpacked. So that is the room. That's me.
It's not what you call it out there.
And then the second room. And then there's a balcony out here. And then you can see the beautiful Kingston City from right there. So we're seeing all of New Kingston. You know that building right there, that's the Saticor building, I believe. Is it? Or is it that one? I don't remember. So another 2. Yeah. So yeah, you have a nice little area, you can see the view. And then you have seating and the room. But when you leave, I can tell you guys where it is, but I'm not telling. Well, it don't really matter because it is. Well, it don't really matter because it's a secure place, but still. But it's a nice little place. This is the bathroom. It only has 1 bathroom. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Yeah, and this is Tracy and her mess. Yeah, if you just put everything in your drawer right now.
That's what I'm doing. Why are you showing them my underwear? It's a cute look.
Are you are showing them your underwear?
It's brand new. Y'all can look. It's brand new. Brand new. Okay.
Me not showing your underwear. And you are showing people your underwear. But this.
Yeah.
They're trying to do a makeup tutorial.
No. You missed it. No. Yeah, she missed it right. You can't do it. Oh, but I came natural, okay? Yeah. So this is the before, guys. Yeah. And then you'll see the after. Fast forward. Right?
Yes, because I saw it in a real life. Well, in YouTube live.
Hi guys, so today we are gonna hang at
It's the next day. Tell them that because we did.
Wait, second floor or first floor? First floor, right?
The second floor is the gym.
What next day? It is the,
We're not going to the gym.
this is the second floor. We're going to
Yes,
the
next
pool.
to the gym.
Anyways, I really I suck at this. Kay, you need to take over. I don't know what to do.
Say hi.
I already said hi.
It's the next day and we're heading to the pool.
Okay, hi, it's the next day and we're heading to the pool. Right now, we're all looking bomb.
So this is Jamelia and wait, we can't
Mandy.
Mandy in the back.
And Kay there, and this is me, of course, because you've been watching my channel, so you know it's me. So let me show you all this gorgeous view that we have. No! Oh, gorgeous over there. No, listen, I did not show them. I did not show y'all that garbage yard, like that junkyard. No. So I'm trying. Okay, this is a pool right here. That's the pool. It's tiny, but it will work because it's just us, right? And then it's right over Kingston. So it's a halfway wall.
On the bended, you fi bang it again. And if you take it as a door, you slam it again. Bubble, bubble, till long, than a shower head. Bubble, bubble, till long, than a river bed. Underwater, me want underwater.
They're taking pictures.
Alright.
I should have you guys eye because we don't have a tripod. This is the time to take off our wigs, close them up, and go have fun in the rain. Come, I'm not wearing a wig. Yes.
You see it? Hype woman, you know?
Down in the game, fine wine. Yeah, so you're sexy, I love my timeline. I've been future like some fine wine. Gotta love me and feel you could have last for your lifetime. I know me into your sleep while you show me a lifeline. Who know me no plan for your mind. Put some carrots for your finger, make you get past the eye blind. Well, all of my people just get to hold the sky like a boy. But you feel the right one, you're number one. And I know you're right. We know each other, but I live so we take a line. We put you on the streets.
Fine wine, where's my wine? Fine wine. I'm drinking water, guys. This is water, but I'm high. I'm drunk.
I miss it.